Here at the Pitman Public Works Department, we are always trying to reduce cost and improve services. Instead of ordering signs from various vendors and having a wait time of at least 3 weeks, we can now make our own street signs in-house at a substantial savings and have a very short turnaround time. To begin the process, we first begin by designing the sign on our computer software. After the sign is designed, just like a printer, the vinyl cutting machine cuts out the vinyl material that will be applied to the aluminum sign blank. In our prepping area, we reuse old signs by sanding and cleaning them instead of buying a new. In our laminating area, we apply a highly reflective base material that will shine through the translucent green material for a fully reflective sign. Once the base material is applied, we then install a translucent green material that has the sign lettering cut out for the appropriate sign name. And now you can see the finishing touches while the application tape is removed. We now have a brand new, highly reflective sign ready for installation. On location, we remove the old signs and reinstall new hardware and new sign. Just another cost and time-saving solution implemented by the Pitman Public Works Department. Thank you for watching.